So you came back? Apparently, but I'm not gonna do anything. Because apparently last time was your Kimberly freaking recording. All for swimming? Yeah, man. You might as well help Destruct. He can't even swim. No. You guys can take care of Destruct. He's old. He's grown up now. He don't need me. He's not gonna get defective. I'm not going near him. You forget about him. I can always take care of him for you. No, you're creepy as it is. And don't even think about taking over the world, because Sonic's just gonna beat you up as it is. You already gave me a smack in the face and I didn't like it. You ruined my mustache, Sonic. How dare you? I grew this mustache since I was freaking 15. 15? I was a teenager, darn it! Do you know how long it's been since I've been 15? I would say 100 years. No! I'm like 50 right now. I don't know what my real age is, but I don't give it up. I'm gonna say 50. Yeah. I am bloody old. You darn right are. Grudge you, Sonic. Yeah, you calculate the years since I've been 15. I would say 20 years ago? Good estimate. No! We don't need your estimates, Rouge. Thank you. Hey, sweetie, I'm just participating. And you're the ones that's not gonna do anything. What? Are you gonna do levels now? Are you gonna look for the chow boxes? I given up on that. That's a lost cause. Sure. You know what? I don't think I ever found all my chow boxes in this stage. I want to look, but that's a waste of a recording now, isn't it? Because we do nothing in these recordings all darn day. All darn day, we haven't done anything. We've been doing nothing. Yeah, he's right. What about me? I can do stuff too. You do absolutely nothing. Could you? Yeah. Hey, you guys! Oh my goodness, what? Yeah, man, what do you want? I'm just coming to say hi. Because I'm Eggman Elmo. You thought you got rid of me, Tails? Yeah, there's a transport on the Ark. You can't get rid of me that easy. Yeah. No! What about the other three? I'm here. You don't even sound like FatAlbertEggman. I'm trying, okay? You freak, where are those other two? Back at the Ark, it seems. Kinda, why are you here? Yeah, hey, Tails. You try can get rid of us? Yeah. Hi, darling. Oh my goodness. Why? Calm down, Tails. Yeah, calm down, you two-tails fox freak. But you gonna be a freak. You're a freak. Hey, you're the biggest freaks I have ever seen. You are always here. What? Shut up. Tell them off. Considering they live here, I can't tell them off anyways. They just stay here all darn day. Ain't that the truth? Yeah, man. Why are we up here again? Because I hate these freaks. One's a woman and one's a FatAlbertEggman. Yeah. Grab you. Okay, Tails. Calm down, okay? Calm your tails down. No! Man, he's never gonna calm down. You can just get rid of that subject. What's wrong with you? Nothing. Really? Yeah, man. He sounds normal, Sonic. It's not like he has a sore throat. We hardly get sore throats. Considering Eggman is the loudest of us all. Yeah, that's me. Anyways. So, yeah. By the way, sweetie, aren't you gonna, do anything? Not in particular, no. So you're in here for the ride. Yep. Daggone it, boy. What are you doing? Hanging out with my friend. Some friend? You always flirt with him all the time, even in Sonic Heroes. I did not. He used to flirt with me all the time in Sonic Heroes, and we weren't married. Considering we're still married, anyways. 5 years. Hey. 5 long years of marriage. Congratulations, Knuckles. Man, it's a fun thing to be married, fool. You get to do a lot of things. I don't think I want to hear what they are. Hi, Sonic. Oh, doggone it, Amy. What are you doing here? Well, one, I went shopping today, and two, Cream is with me today. Say hi, Cream. Oh, and she brought cheese and chocola here as well. Just glad Burger's in here. Hey, Cream. Hey, Cream. Hi, Tails. How's it going? Hey, Cream. Yeah, hey, Cream. Yes?
How will you shut up, Tails? Just tell the rabbits what you want to talk to her about.
He gets so nervous when he talks to Cream, especially when they're on a date. I did not. I went on a successful date last time. We even recorded it. No, you recorded it. Anyways, take it away, Tails. Say your lovey-dovey things shyly to your girlfriend. Shut up! So, is that really why you're here, Amy? Just to say hi? Yeah, why not? Well, Cream was talking to me, and she wanted to see how Tails was going, and Tails texted her that you guys are in a chat room right now, so we decided to come along and say hi. Well, how you doing, Cheese? I haven't seen you since Sonic Heroes.
It's been nothing really. Me and Chocola have been trying to take over the world.
Yeah, we try to take over the world and it won't work.
You guys trying to take over the world? That's my job!
Shut up, you fat man. Yeah, you fat man.
You're rude! What an insult. So, yeah. You want to go on a date later, Cream? I promise this time it's gonna be better. The last date was perfect, Tails. I didn't mind it. But I wanted to take you out to get a milkshake or something. You're the one that had to hold the camera, when I was running around the city, and we did nothing. We went out to dinner. There was nothing. Ugh. Okay. So anyway, Sonic, me and Cream are gonna go. Bye, everybody. Good riddance. Aren't you even gonna have the freaking courage to propose to her? Not yet. It's been freaking 8 years since you guys been together. Well, the last date didn't go so well. She kinda yelled at the waiter too many times, so yeah. Ooh, gossip. I like it. We don't need to know that, Sonic. We don't even care about your dates. What about you and your dates? My dates are perfect. Nothing's perfect in this world, Tails. Shut up. Okay, then. We got nothing to do. This is us. Totally us. Joyous. I'm wondering, Do you think Cheese and Chocola are actually gonna try and take over the world? Egg, no! That's my job! That's my role! I wanna take over the world!
Yeah, let the master take over the world.
Shut up, you! You're not even close to being helping me out.
Ah, man.
Yeah, you.
Ah, man.
Shut up, man. Shut up.
No.
I'm gonna make you shut up.
What you gonna do?
I'm gonna tie you up and friggin' get the shadow to friggin' shoot you.
Not very threatening, Tails. Yeah.
I'ma do it. I'ma do it. You're gonna watch me. I think Tails is having an angerism. Yeah, he really hates Eggman's copies. More importantly, the Fat Albert one. Why? Why did you make them? Why? 'Cause I'm evil. I think that you had, I think you was lonely and you wanted company. Well, look who's fighting with my wife now, Eggman. And shoot. It wasn't because I was lonely. I just wanted to take over the world. But apparently, my copies all went off on their own. Except that Elmo freak over there.
Hi, Master.
Freak! Shoot that ass! Can I kill him for you? No, he's mine! I kinda wanna kill him. Anyway, I'm gonna... You know what? No, I'm gonna go in here and I'm gonna make you guys listen to this awesome song because I freaking said so. I don't care if you can see our volume. Shut up. Yeah, buddy. It's been forever since I've been in here, man. Well, freaking ever. Kitty! How you doing the catwalk now? This floor is... Where this bunny? Never mind. You forgot where the bunny came from. You just beat up a robot. As I was saying, this floor is lighting up like a catwalk. I might as well be catwalking. You know what? Yo, I'm gonna start right here and I'm gonna freaking do the catwalk. Watch me. That's not catwalking. Dang it, Knuckles, you ran! Well, I'm sorry, man. My thumb friggin' like it's digity all the time. I'm gonna do it again. Watch me. I just gotta get the camera right. And you guys are gonna watch me do some catwalking. Let's do this. Yeah, buddy. Strutting my stuff. You looking at? You watching me, baby? I'm watching. And I find it awesome. I didn't know you're good at catwalking, Knuckles. Yeah, man. I am awesome. See that? I walked all the way out here. Oh, yeah. I'm the best. I'm gonna go. Green room it is. Let's go. What's up, Ghosty Goose? All my dirt. I made him dance. I'm making him dance. I'm making him dance. Hey, come get me, fool. Hey! I freaking dare you. This is awesome, man. I'm catwalking here. Yeah, man. Going to the green room. Yeah. Time to die, all of you. Hey, man, why'd you do that for? I'm gonna kill you. Nah, I got it. Why'd you come in with me for? I'm gonna kill you too. What are you doing here for? I ain't wanna touch you. Get away from me. Wait, hold on a minute. I gotta go see the other. Hey, give it to me. Doesn't this look like a cat to you guys? Even though it's supposed to be an eagle, doesn't it look like a cat? It looks like a Scottish fold. We love those kind of cats. They're freaking adorable, man. Hey, Gamma! Gamma! Oh, where's Gamma, man? Gamma, I know you're here. I'm not touching anything with me. So where's the other third box? That's what I want to know. Kitty! Oh my goodness, Knuckles. I'm gonna go where there's freaking cats. Come on now, let's go. Hey, Gamma! Ow! 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 Sorry. All that for a skunk. All that for a skunk. Woo, I'm dancing. Look at me, Rouge. Wee. This is my new dance move. Yeah. Joyous, Knuckles. You've been in there for like 18 minutes. You gotta get out now. Look at my shadows on the other side. You left the weirdest of us all. You know that, right? Who's that, man? Okay. I can do a better catwalk if you know what I mean, Knuckles. I'm gonna do it in here. I don't care if there's a freaking robot. I can do it. I'm a catwalk in shadows. See, watch this. I'm a catwalk. See, look at me. I'm catwalking. Ah, he won't see me. Anyways, I can so catwalk. Watch. Great catwalk, Rouge. You know it. So, what are you doing, Rouge? Got an extra life, I'll tell you what. Hey, guess what, guys? What? I can do a catwalk too. I'd like to see you try. Watch me. It's gonna be marvelous. Gross. See, I'm catwalking. That is the slowest catwalk I have ever seen. You know you like it. Get him to stop it. Sonic, get him to stop. Eggman. Oh. Eggman, no, not again. Oh, yeah. What's wrong with him? Get away. Oh, yeah. You are violating nature. Can you stop, please? Egg, now watch this. Oh my goodness. Ah, yeah, take a train. What kind of evil scientist are you? A very good one. A very sick one that likes trains. A little too much. Now will you get down? Get down from that tree. Ah, yeah. Get out of the way, Roxy. My goodness. He's pushing things again, Sonic. Eggman, you're doing absolutely nothing. Uh-oh! Where's it, man? You guys suck. You guys know. Catwalking again. Oh, Shadow! Shadow! I am not even going near that freaking place. You're catwalking, and that's final. I didn't want to see Tails and Sonic catwalk. I might as well do my catwalk now. Because me and Eggman do nothing but being machines all day. That's no fun. That's boring. I'm gonna do my catwalk, and then Sonic's gonna do his catwalk, and then Shadow's gonna do his catwalk, and then we're gonna end. I'm doing my catwalk in my levels. Alright, show you my catwalk. There, I did it. Are you happy? Thank you, Tails. Sonic's next. Fine, I'll go get your freaking catwalk done. Are you happy, Eggman? No. One, you sound nothing like yourself. Two, I bet your catwalk sucks. Get out of the way. I'll show you a catwalk. This is how you catwalk. Oh, yeah. You're up, Shadow. I said I'm not going near that place. Fine. I'll catwalk somewhere else. Fine. You know what? I'll go catwalk in space. How does that sound? That sounds lovely, thank you. I'll even dance on these railings for you. No. Thanks a lot, sweetie. What are you doing? Dying, that's what. Great footage. Great footage, Shadow. Thank you. Oh, fine. I'll do it somewhere else. Here, I'll show you my bloody catwalk. You're too far away from screen, sweetie. No! There, I'm catwalking up. Are you happy? No, because you gotta do it right. Worth it. Get out of my face. Hey, look, a child box. Oh, crud, no. You think you can do that to me? I'll kill you. There, I'm catwalking. Are you guys happy? Well, considering you're out in space and there's junk everywhere. Yeah, we're happy. Joyous. Let me out of here. You morons. Thank you, Shadow. That was lovely. Crud you. So, guys, what are we gonna do? Not pay with this FatAlbertEggman. Why are you so mean to me, Tails? Yeah. Cause you suck. You suck to all dirt. Hate you. That's not nice. I just noticed something. And what would that be, baby? I noticed that, like, right under Sonic's crazy gadget, that looks like a shut up, Rouge, don't even think it. Oh, I'm thinking it. You know I'm thinking it. Knuckles only. Darn, woman, what's wrong with you? Everything. Alright, you morons, it's like 1 minute to go. We gotta go. Yes, you certainly have to go. You're not gonna say goodbye again? Crud, no. Crud, you guys. I quit. You guys know I quit. You're coming back no matter what. I don't care how I had to do it, but I will get you back. You're not even going near me. Oh, snap. He's hostile. Anyways, can we say goodbye, Sonic? Go ahead, I don't even care anymore. Well, this is Rouge. And this is Tails. This segment. And this is Knuckles. Thanks a lot, Sonic, making us do it early again. I don't care, but if Shadow was supposed to do what he's supposed to be doing, he would have said goodbye, and I would have said goodbye now. Now I have to say goodbye.